Common mistakes in soap making part 2. Today we'll be talking about preservative. Now, how you preserve your soap matters a lot. It's important to know the right preservative to use and also the right amount of preservative to use. Many beginners think preservatives are optional in liquid soap, especially when it still looks and smells nice. They think that they don't need to add preservative because it smells nice and so on. Now, the consequences here is that bacterial and fungal growth can occur within days, especially in a warm environment. The soap becomes unsafe and effective. Now, another thing is using the wrong preservative. It's important to note that in liquid soap production, we use more than 80% of water. So using the right preservative that can preserve such water content in a product is very important. You don't just use any random preservative because it's called preservative. And also considering the type of chemicals that we're using to produce liquid soap. So if you don't use a good preservative that is strong enough to preserve your product, it will start to decompose within a short period of time. Now, also knowing the right amount of preservative to add in your product is very important. This is not just about adding 10 grams, 20 grams, 1 teaspoon, and so on. It's important to know the right percentage of preservative that you need in your product, and also bear in mind that if you just add preservative randomly, if you add less preservative, your product will start to decompose within a short period of time. And if you add too much of preservative, your product will be toxic on the skin, which is really not good because it can also cause skin infection. So please do try and get a proper training to know how to formulate your liquid soap the right way, and also how to preserve your product to avoid spoilage. Thank you for watching. See you in my next episode.